Are you looking for gifts to take overseas for Christmas or souvenirs? Here are 10 practical, unique, made in Japan or just popular in Japan ideas. There's something for everyone. This clever item creates steam for tastier toast. This is a tiny tawashi scrubber, ideal for cleaning sneakers. This rolling stool is ideal for gardening or working in a garage. Nata is a Japanese hatchet, but in many ways better. This looks like a regular wiping cloth, but it works magic with grease. Thin electric heated vest keep your core warm and look snappy too. Japanese plastic wrap is better quality and available in narrow sizes. Industrial grade waterproof winter gloves, ideal for snow shoveling or winter hiking. These are growing kits for Shiso and Mitsuba. Cute! Japanese washcloths are the best, and this one is specifically for men. Merry Christmas, season's greetings, Happy New Year, and Happy DIY!